We, the sisters, we are looking for those who are impoverished. It's a long, long journey. If we look for them, we can save more souls.
Não se preocupe.
Tá,
Tá garantido.
porque a gente criar neto dentro do mato desse, não tem nada de futuro, minha filha.
Além da pobreza material, é a pobreza moral.
As missionaries, we are from different culture. Sisters who are from that country, they are the best to explain to their people what is happening in the society are not good. We give them a chance to dream, to have another kind of life.
We have to be mother, sister over the poor children 24 hours a day and 7 days a week and 365 days a year.
I thought maybe it will be difficult for me to have this chance. But I said, I will have to try. I'll have to do it with all my heart.
We are very sure that our children will have work after they leave the school. They can have better future.
Wherever they will go, they will be light.